The symbol of the waistcloth stroke the wearing of the waistcloth in relation to judgment and punishment. Jeremiah was instructed by God to buy a waistcloth and wear it. He was told not to dip it in water. Jeremiah bought the waistcloth. He then put it on his waist. God talked to him a second time. He told him to remove it. Jeremiah was told to go and hide it in a crack in the rocks in the Euphrates. Jeremiah obeyed God. He went later where he had hidden it and found it spoiled, making it good for nothing. God told him that he would spoil the pride of Judah and Jerusalem. He was going to make them like the waistcloth because of disobeying him. He told Jeremiah that he had made the house of Israel and Judah cling to him just like the waistcloth, but they wouldn't listen to him.